The India bloc will continue to fight against the fascist rule of the BJP led by Modi.
The mandate is clearly for the India bloc to rule the country. The situation is not conducive, the numbers are not with us.
हमारी जो एकजुट चुनाव से पहले रही वही आज कायम रही।
The constituents of India bloc thank the people of India for the overwhelming support received by our allies. The people's mandate has given befitting reply to the BJP and their politics of hate, corruption and deprivation. This is a mandate in defense of the Constitution of India and against price rise, unemployment and crony capitalism, and also to save democracy. The India bloc will continue to fight against the fascist rule of the BJP led by Modi. We will take appropriate steps at the appropriate time to realize the people's desire not to be ruled by the BJP's government, and this is our decision, and we all together agreed on these points, and will definitely whatever promises we have given to the people, that we will keep it up. And just I want to tell this. Thank you very much.
Actually, the mandate is for us. When the BJP got defeated at Ayodhya, and when Narendra Modi in his own constituency, 4 lakh people who voted in 2019 didn't vote now. Definitely the mandate is clearly for the India bloc to rule the country. But the situation is not conducive, the numbers are not with us.
So will not go
the thing is, we expressed in Tamil Nadu, the alliance is intact from 2017. So we won all the constituencies, all the 40 constituencies we won. So like that, if we formed the alliance in other states also, we could have got the number now. But now we have to wait and see. No other.
देखिए आज बैठक हुई है, सभी हमारे जो इंडिया ब्लॉक के मेंबर्स हैं सभी उपस्थित थे। खरगे साहब के घर में बैठक हुई है। सोनिया गांधी जी, प्रियंका जी, राहुल जी, खरगे जी, शरद पवार साहब, स्टालिन साहब, अखिलेश यादव जी, तेजस्वी सभी थे। और हमारी जो एकजुट चुनाव से पहले रही वही आज कायम रही। हमने ये तय किया है कि हमको जो मैंडेट मिला है वो मैंडेट इस देश में जो फैसिज्म बढ़ रहा है, तानाशाही, संविधान के खिलाफ जो काम चल रहा है उसके खिलाफ मिला है, जो करने वाले लोग हैं। तो हमको जब मौका मिलेगा, अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम का हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, तब जो पीपल्स डिज़ायर है ये सरकार बदलने की, उस दिशा में हम कदम बढ़ाएंगे।
एनडीए की बैठक में सर्वसम्मति से तय हो गया कि
देखिए ये सर्वसम्मति कब तक टिकती है या आने वाले 6 महीने में आपको पता चलेगा।
They don't have a comfortable majority, but people's verdict is against this friend. India Alliance will wait for the appropriate time. That is what we have decided.
So
Not more than
the role of the opposition, right?
We discussed about the election campaign, and we just adopted a resolution thanking the people for their overwhelming support to the election campaign. And I think we think the mandate is squarely against the Modi government. Squarely against the Modi government. And the people of India are fed up with this government. And the mandate has been in defense of the Constitution, in defense of democracy, and we'll keep up with the spirit of the mandate.
What will be the future course of action for India Alliance, sir?
Huh?
What will be the future of India Alliance?
Future, we will see according to the demands of the situation. We'll take steps, but I think our commitments are there before the people, and we'll act accordingly.